Mice, those tiny, adorable creatures, are often found scurrying around our homes and gardens. But did you know that these tiny rodents are actually quite fascinating? Firstly, mice are omnivorous, meaning they eat both plants and meat. They prefer seeds, grains, fruits, and vegetables, but will also eat insects, worms, and even other small rodents. Their exceptional hearing is one of their most notable features. Mice can hear high-frequency sounds that are inaudible to humans, allowing them to detect predators or find food from a distance. Interestingly, they can also detect the vibrations of footsteps, helping them navigate their surroundings. Mice have a unique way of communicating. They emit ultrasonic sounds, too high for human ears to hear, to communicate with each other. These sounds can convey various messages, such as warnings of danger or the location of food. Navigation is another amazing skill mice possess. They use a system called path integration to remember the route they took to find food or a nest. This means they don't need landmarks to find their way back home. In the animal kingdom, mice play a crucial role. They are important food sources for larger predators, and they help control pest populations. Mice also play a role in the ecosystem by aerating soil and dispersing seeds. However, mice can also be a nuisance in our homes. They can cause damage to furniture, electrical wiring, and food supplies. To prevent infestations, it's important to keep a clean home, seal entry points, and use humane traps if necessary. In conclusion, mice may be small, but they are mighty in their own way. Their sharp senses, unique communication methods, and navigational skills make them fascinating creatures. While they can be a nuisance in our homes, understanding their behavior and habits can help us coexist peacefully with these tiny, curious creatures.